So, for today, I've been wanting to do this for a while now. I came to Goodwill maybe like 3 months ago, and I didn't find anything, but I really want to go into like the furniture section and see if I can find anything to like upcycle. And I needed to get out of my house, so I think today is the day that I will do it. And hopefully I find something. I'm here. Let's go inside. Okay, another hour later, just got out of Hobby Lobby, literally walking around the aisles, not knowing what the heck I was looking for. But I think I figured them out. There's two that I'm really excited for, and then the other ones I think are just like, I didn't know what else to do, and a lot of people have done them already. But they're things that I've always wanted to do. So we'll see. I need to go home and figure this out. Okay, for this first one, I'm gonna do a secret book compartment. Leave them stickers or something to decorate it with, a ruler, an X-Acto knife, and of course a book. Then you're gonna want to take off the cover. I chose this simple gray one just because I love gray and I have more things to do with it, with decorating it. With your ruler, you're gonna want to make a border on the book, and I did like a 1 inch one just because I didn't want to cut too much, and trust me, you don't want to make a big square, it gets very tiring. This is what it should look like, and then you're gonna take your X-Acto knife and you're just gonna start going at it with a ruler. Um, yeah, I did this about 75 times and then maybe another 80 times. It is tiring, but at the end it looks so cool. You're gonna want to do it to the point where you can just literally take the papers out. And trust me, it's gonna get tiring. At this point, I'm literally just yanking them out with my hand because I was getting. And then, yay, there you have it, a secret compartment. I've heard that a lot of people use this for like hiding phones during school, or like, I mean, you can always hide some other stash in there. But then I took my stickers and I just put my initials, real cute and simple. And this was the final outcome. For the second one, we're gonna call it a whatever you want holder. All you're gonna need for this one is paint and a paintbrush. All I really did for this one was put the pink paint in the bottom, and then I just went over it with the white paint. You can really use any color for this one. I've just been very into the light pink, simple kind of thing. But I think it would look really cool with like two bright colors. Be like a pink and blue. I don't know. Also, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally Papada. It's gonna be making a little preview throughout the whole video. And this is the final outcome. This third one is gonna be called the Versatile Mugs. And all you need are mugs and a Sharpie. And all you really have to do is pick out a favorite quote. Maybe that has to do with coffee or anything really life. And write it. And this is me writing some of my favorite quotes. Here is the final. One is going to be the flower pots with the mason jars. Of course, for this one, you're going to need mason jars, a paintbrush, paint, and flowers. All you're going to do is paint the mason jars. I did 2 pink, 1 white. I've seen people do like an ombre look where they do 3 different types of blue or pink. I wanted to do that, but I couldn't find the colors I wanted, so I just stuck to pink and white. Because again, basic, and I've been really into these colors lately. I decided to cut the flowers because I'm broke and I didn't want to pay another $10 for another bunch. But this is me struggling to do it until I finally figured it out. You bend it, and it's way easier for you to cut it like that. like I mean trying to figure it out. Oh my god. It's so much easier like this. Yeah. And here's the final outcome. So I forgot to close out the video, but I just want to say I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to see me do this again or do other DIYs, just let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.